How to add hotspot button in Control Center on iOS 18. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to add a hotspot to the Control Center. First thing is we're going to want to place a finger on the upper right of the screen, hold down, and pull until you get the Control Center. Once the Control Center screen appears, it should look like this, and what we're going to do is place our finger in the middle of the screen until the widget starts wiggling. At the bottom of the screen, click into Add a Control, and we're going to search for the hotspot. So here it is next to my screen recording button. We can make it larger than the other icons or keep it as is. Now you know how to add hotspot to your Control Center. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys!